Umefanya vizuri kuchagua mti. Ingekuwa ni mimi ningetafuta mti ya maembe, nipande juu wiki mzima. Ndio nilikuwa nikikula maembe.
Yes, gatho cia mwanya mwirori wa Kikuyu Star TV, and of course twego ku county ya Murang'a, no tore rakiona thutha wakwa haria niho Pastor Jimmy agikoretwo akinyita muti kwa mathaa kwa kahinda gaka ni mathaa 49 hours akire haria uguo, na no aragithii na mbere na thaa ici turakiaria ni thaa 4 na ndagika 57. Koguo ndirakenda ngorwo ngigutwara haria uguo niguo ngikuonie maundu uria makihana. Ndiwe wewe hau uguo ni record yake ungikorwo kiuna. Koguo reke tungikinya haria uguo tuone nginyagia thaa ici ri Pastor Jimmy aragikorwo agithie na njira ikihana atia. Na oho tukire na Dr. Murimi uria akirehete ikiheo giake kuri Pastor Jimmy. Dr. Murimi ngoririkani agikoragwo akiruta wira na foundation ya Save a Life Foundation. Koguo reke tugithie haria uguo tuone uria maundu makihana. Ngoririkani ringi ni thaa 4 na ndagika 58 na Jimmy agaikorwo akirikia muthenya wa Thursday mathaa ma rucini 5:27 hau uguo niguo agaikorwo akirikireria challenge yake ya kuhag muti kana kuhimberia muti mathaa 80 kana 80. Koguo we ndiwe ugika challenge yake niguo ugikorwo ki break record. Koguo reke tuthie haria uguo tuthikiririe uria maundu makiana.
Opportunity to kindly request and humbly request you to give us 5 minutes only. We wish to acknowledge an organization in this country that is doing charity support programs that has come with Daktari here. Daktari is a medic and is also having his own organization. He'll tell us much about it. Wamekuja kusupport kijana wetu, si ndio? As all of us are here, they have also come all the way with the team and they are here to support kijana Jimmy. So I take this opportunity kukukaribisha daktari na organization yako uweze kutuongeleshea kijana, utupige support yako. We see what you are doing. We appreciate that we are seeing fellow men showing up to support the boy child. So asante sana na karibu. Na simnaona vile daktari yako smart. Na si niliwaambia constitution ya Kenya haijanyimana watu wengi, so daktari usinipige, lakini nilikuwa tunasema uko smart. Thank you so much. Na muweze kuchukua network ya daktari. Pia nyinyi mnaweza saidika. Asante. Karibu sana.
Thank you. Asante. Personally, I'm humbled and I'm very happy what you are doing. As you heard, my name is Dr. Joseph Morelli from Save a Life Organization, and purely we do help. We do help. We help people with tumors who cannot raise money for their medical bills. And when I see what Pastor is doing, he said to come. In fact, we are preparing to go to Eldoret because I have a patient I'm taking there called Kezia. And when I saw what you are doing, I've been following. I said, now, when you talk about health, I have to come and join you and support you and give you support. And this is amazing. And this is a beginning. Looking forward to. Oh, thank you. Asante sana. So it is a beginning, and looking forward to even continue to partner with you so that we can continue helping our people. Because cancer is a monster. And I'm sure each and everyone who is here, you have maybe a relative who maybe have died because of cancer. And cancer in all families, and is a monster. It's killing our people. And taking a lot of money, resources, and all that. And we want to partner with right-minded people who are doing this. Ambassadors who are here to pass such messages. And that's what we do as a Save a Life. We do a lot of awareness on health. And being here is amazing. And I'm happy being here. I'm with my friend Disagu, who is our ambassador. We do a lot with him when it comes to health. And so far, we have supported over 100,000 lives from feeding programs, surgeries, because we have done over 14,000 major surgeries, over 28 minor surgeries, and again, we have fed over 6,000 families, planted over 40,000 trees, and this is what we do. We are very passionate when it comes to health. So, personally, I'm very happy, and will continue with people like you and other people. And this is a call to our national government, county government, and I want to appreciate Murang'a County government also for sharing and supporting this. Because you can imagine, if we all unite for this cause, health is basic. We unite for this cause. you can imagine what we can do. We can do a lot. From individuals, corporate, government, county government, we can do a lot. And also invite also for international community to come and join us in this. So this is amazing, and personally I'm very happy. But I'm with my friend Disagu will say something before I finalize. Disagu, karibu.
Jeshi, happy new year. Happy new year Muranga mko chonjo. Mimi naitwa Desagu, niko among the big D's, ndio Demako, Demadhio, Desagu, Demakufu, na tunaleta Demakonyori. Anyway ndugu, by holding that tree you are saying it's because of cancer. It's high time we pull up a serious panakia to barbarize and aggrandize the corrupt demagogue called cancer. Na tunataka tumalize cancer kwa society ndio watu waweze kuishi vizuri. Umefanya vizuri kuchagua mti. Ingekuwa ni mimi ningetafuta mti ya maembe nipande juu wiki mzima ndio nilikuwa nikikula maembe. So by this course we support for you. I have been working with Dr. Moremi and I save a life, and I have seen more than 1,000 and very many lives saved. Watu wamekuwa kideal na tumor na cancer na wengi sana wamesaidika. So tuko hapa kusupport wewe kama boy child, na tunaomba upambane mpaka mwisho. Ama niekelee 5,000 uachilie. Kabisa. Pambana mpaka mwisho. Na tumefurahia sana kusupport. Thank you so much Dr. Moremi for the job you are doing, and we'll join you and we'll support more. Barikiwe sana, no umbwedede, pambana kabisa. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Na nataka kushukuru sana pia wa Kenya. For people who have supported, who are supporting it. This is a huge support. When nimefika pale nikaona, these people coming in supporting, this is amazing, and this is humbling by the way, because when you're doing something for such a support, unapata nguvu. By then he can do even 100, right? Sindio? Because anapata that synergy, that support, that love. So this is amazing. So tuzidi kumsupport. Na si hapa tu, baki maliza hapa, tuzidi kumsupport. This is amazing, and it's quite humbling. So my brother, Pastor, is humbling. And for me, I don't have enough words. Kuambia Mungu akupe neema, mtu akupe grace. Na umeanza hii mwaka with this synergy. Uendelee, and we're here to support you. By the way, nimekuja na glucose mtu anaweka wapi? Nimekuja na glucose yangu.
Kabla utupe glucose yako juu daktari, glucose ya daktari unaweza mambo ya madaktari ni mengi. But before that, daktari, sisi tuko hapa kusupport boy child.
Yes.
Na mimi nikiangalia hivi, nimeona wanaume huwa wana struggle sana kupata matibabu.
Yes.
Wanaume wakigonjeka waendi hospitali.
Yes.
Wanaume wakiwa na stress hawajongei. Yes. Na ndio maana unapata, kwa sababu ni daktari utatuambia, wanaume wengi kansa yao ikigunduliwa ikiwa very late. Kwa nini wanaume wanashindwa kwenda hospitali? Ni nini unaweza waambia, ili ama ni science gani maybe mtu anafaa ende hospitali ndio tuendelee kusupport Jimmy na hii mambo ya kansa? Tupe awareness kidogo tafadhali.
Thank you. That's a very good question. Why men when hospitali? Mbona wanaume when hospitali? And again, ukijua, and this is a very good space by the way to have this discussion. In our culture, mwanaume anaambiwa afai kulia, mwanaume ni kukaa ngumu. Umeelewa? Mwanaume afai kulia, mwanaume ni kukaa ngumu. Sasa unapata mpaka wanaume wanafika mwisho because they don't talk, they don't share. Sasa unapata mpaka wanaume pia wana commit suicide. Why? Because they don't share. They don't like women. The same thing. Wanaume unapata mwanaume amegonjeka na balende apate seek help, anakaa ngumu na ugonjwa yake. By the way, unapata mwanaume akienda hospitali yako stage 3, stage 4 cancer. Why? Aligonjeka, akajifanya strong, lakini anaumia ndani yake. He's dying, but he's alone. Let's learn to talk. Let's learn to share, because we are human. And hiyo nini ya ati mwanaume afai kushare, mwanaume afai kulia, mwanaume ni strong. You need to mislead. I wish it's time as men we can talk and let's seek help. Another thing, by this is a good space. Kuna watu wengi wanaambiwa tukigonjeka ende uombewe uende nyumbani. No. Doctors are part of God's creation. If you are sick, my friend, umejua kuna kashida, una katuma kameanza kidogo, seek help. Go for investigation, upigwe picha, scan, ufanywe biopsy, ndio shida ni gani utibiwe. But again, you are misled. Unaambiwa kuje tukuombee, tupake mafuta, utapona. Then again, the person mwenye anakuombea na kupaka hiyo mafuta, he's going abroad. So I wish we can learn to share. And again, when you find kuna shida, enda hospitali, seek help, because they are medics who are there to support you. So I'm very happy to be here and I'm humbled and will continue to come. Tumebakia how many hours? That is around 30? 31.
Sai amebakisha 31 hours. Sorry? Na kuna boy child ako na swali, wacha ulize daktari.
Uliza swali.
Bwana Jimmy, endelea hivyo hivyo. Lakini, why can't you bring a clinic to governments before the interview?
Wow, that's a good one.
What a challenge, Makofi. Wow, that's a challenge.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Why don't we bring a clinic for men during this time, yeah? And I think this is a good, thank you, that's a good concern, that's a good question. And I think we'll do something. We'll work closely with county government, do something, yeah? Even if it's before maybe, we might try maybe before the 31 hours, but we can do something even if it's after that. And Pastor, make sure hiyo imefanyika. Sindio, we start from here in Murang'a. So thank you for that. We'll make sure ime happen. Inawezekana? Haya, sasa mimi nimekuja na glucose by the way before I go. Nimekuja na glucose. So glucose inawekwa wapi? Tunakujanga na pesa. So niweke wapi?
Hapo kwa mguu yake.
Hapa. Ili baraka hapa. Haya. But this is just a beginning because we are looking forward to continue, partnering. Because this is what we do. We do help. Purely Save a Life, we do help. Like 60% of what we do is help. And we are looking forward on how we can work with such people. And God will, maybe he'll be your ambassador. Come and push what you are doing. Because since tunajua uzito, when we talk about cancer, we know the magnitude, the weight of people living with cancer, wala wana struggle na cancer. It's not easy. But we hope and we believe that him standing out and talking out, talk about this, it'll create more opportunities for us to help more Kenyans. So God bless you. You're happy to be here. Now, even if you manage to come between that 31 hours, we'll continue to work with him. So Pastor, God bless you. More grace and all the best. Sasa hii tunamaliza na tutoka hapa tukiwa strong and we celebrate this together. And God bless Pastor. Tutazidi kukuombea.
Nimeshukuru.
Asante.
Sana kwa kuja hata kama ni usiku hapo kuangalia giza ukaogopa. Esagu, my friend hapa Kuria ningesema asante sana. Mimi nimeongea sana lakini tutaendelea tu. Najua hii tutaenda kumaliza. Hii siachili kama 8 hours hatujaigonga. Hapa nitatoka tukigonga 8 hours. Hizo tunazungumza
kampuni yenu alafu na
asubuhi.
Hata Moremi yaandika daktari
na tukitoka hapa tunaweza kufungua foundation ambayo inaitwa Jimmy Cancer Foundation.
Jimmy,
ukiangalia nyuma yako na hiyo bana hapo, na tutailaunch hiyo siku itatoka kwa charity. So tutakuwa na hiyo sherehe na county government inatusaidia sana kupitia gavana Ndugu Kang'ata, waziri wa youth, waziri Manoa, tumekuwa na yeye na wametusupport sana. Sisi wa health tusupport sana na tutakuwa na wao. So hata wewe ningekukaribisha sana ukuje ili tuanzishe hii kitu pamoja na ndio tuweze kuendelea.
Thank you, Pastor. I can assure you, count our support. We are in. Sisi jua ukiweka partners wako, Save a Life itakuwa among the first partner. Tuko ndani. And more grace, Pastor Jimmy. More grace, more grace, more grace. Yes, please.
So are we coming tomorrow for testing? Prostate, anyway. Prostate.
I love that you are pushing.
How are you?
And I will work closely to make sure that what he is requesting to make that work actualize. It is possible. It is possible. So, now, because we will pull something. We'll pull something. I'll work with him and he will communicate as soon as possible how we can do this. We look for space. I don't know whether the space is enough. We pull something. Yeah? We do screening and all that, yeah? Sawa. So that's a good concern from my brother. Your name, sir? Yeah? Donald. Donald amesema lazima wanaume wakuja waangaliwe. So we are looking forward to make sure hiyo request yake tumeifanya and we'll help our people. We'll make sure that to actualize. Yeah? What we'll do, you know, we need again tunazima tukuwe na consent from county government. I know they will do that. If we get that, we can plan. We'll do it. Perfect. So we'll do it. Sindio? Perfect. Then we'll do it. Thank you. Disagu tukimalizia?
Si mungeacha ashike hesabu.
Thank you so much.
Aya, Save a Life ni fire si fire. Save a Life ni fire si fire. Daktari ni noma si noma. Thank you so much, Daktari, for standing with the boy child. We appreciate.
Thank you.
We appreciate for the glucose. We appreciate for your presence. And as the men have insisted, you know, men have shown that they can step up and speak for themselves. Tafadhali Daktari, we are looking forward to that medical camp, that cancer screening event. Tuko ready, tutakuja. Hawa wanaume wote kwanza waskriniwe.
Wakuje wote.
Alafu daktari hujatuambia kama inakuanga uchungu kuskriniwa, lakini tutakuja na tuta-support this initiative that Jimmy has begun. We are going to work together and we appreciate your efforts. All organizations around, all our media houses, kina Kororia, kina Zunguka, nyinyi wote tumewaona hapa and we appreciate your efforts. Mungu awabariki sana na tuendelee kusupport Jimmy. Thank you so much, Daktari, with your people. Tafadhali, tomorrow guys, tunalala hapa as we wake up to Thursday. Sababu Jimmy atamaliza hii challenge Thursday asubuhi 5:27 AM. So I hope kesho tutapatana hapa, tutakuwa na massive entertainment. Desago atakuwa hapa akituchekesha, hata kama tutamwatch YouTube itabidi tu ameingia live atusalimie. We appreciate the great support Desago, seeing a great man coming back home to stand with another young man is a really great pleasure. Thank you so much with your team. Watu wa Mwasco tumewaona, Benikins Printers, nyinyi wote ambao mko hapa. Mungu awabariki na waulinde na watendee mema. Muranga still we see you, watu wetu wa security, Mungu awabariki na watendee mema. Thank you so much. DJ utatuendelezea na entertainment as we continue to support this great young man. Jimmy, you are in our prayers. Stay strong. We are behind you. A huge force is behind you. Kenya is watching. The world is watching. It's not about Muranga. It's not about Pastor Jimmy. Right now it's about all the cancer patients out there, all the survivors, all the families that are battling cancer. And you know, even our former president has a story in that line. So keep doing what you're doing because it is the right thing. Thank you so much. Na Mungu awabariki. Tuendelee vizuri our DJ. Thank you.
Thank you. Pastor Jimmy, thank you. More grace. Let's partner.